Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to change the Dropbox manual uploads notification sound on your phone step by step. If you're someone who uses Dropbox often and wants a custom alert sound just for manual uploads, this quick guide will help you set it up easily. Let's get started. First, open your phone's settings. This is where all your app controls and notification options are located. Next, scroll down until you find apps and give it a tap. You'll see a list of all the apps installed on your device. From there, tap on Dropbox. This will take you to the app's info page where you can manage permissions, data, and notifications. Now, tap on Notifications. Inside this menu, you'll see different types of alerts that Dropbox can send you. Each category can have its own custom settings, including sound choices, so you can customize only what you need. Go ahead and tap on notification categories. Here's where things get specific. Look for the category labeled Manual Uploads and tap on it. This section controls how your phone notifies you whenever you manually upload files to Dropbox. Under this category, select Alert and then tap on Sound. Now it's time to choose your preferred notification sound. You can pick from your phone's default tones or any custom sound you've added. Take a second to listen through a few options and pick the one that stands out to you. Once you've selected your sound, simply back out of settings and that's it. The next time you upload files manually to Dropbox, you'll hear your new custom notification tone. This small tweak helps you stay organized and aware of your Dropbox activity while adding a personal touch to your device. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching.